Hi, today I have these self-closing gate hinges. So I'm going to open the bag up and show you what's inside. So in here we have two of the hinges, which I can already feel they are super heavy duty. And here's the other one. So we have two of the gate hinges here with 22 vinyl screws here. And then inside here, it also comes with the swing adjuster tool right here.
The hinges are black powder coated to prevent rusting and for corrosion resistance. They have a high degree of safety and reliability. First, you will want to determine the mounting position of the hinges on the door and align them. They should be evenly spaced between the upper hinge and the lower hinge. Then pre-drill the screw holes for the door and door posts. You will want to loosen the nut and install the hinges on the door and the door post. Then install the door to the door post. Next, you'll want to adjust the gate to ensure that gaps are equal and even on both sides. Then tighten the nut. Last, you'll want to use the swing adjustment tool. It adjusts the spring tightness of the hinge. Using the swing adjustment tool, put the stopper, small rod, into a series of small holes around the top of the gate hinges. Turn the tool. Take out the short silver locating pin and place it in the corresponding small hole, and repeat until the gate closes firmly and automatically.